Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be enjoying good health. It is Muhammad Naman, your teacher, and today I'll teach you the basic concepts of structure SVO and SOV. What is difference between SVO and SOV? SVO basically is the structure of English sentences. For example, S means subject, V verb, and object. O object. Subject, verb, and object. Students, you know that when we write English sentence, the structure comes like this. For example, first of all, subject. Ali is a subject and verb. Ali reads is a verb. Here we know that this is subject according to the structure, given structure, and reads is a verb. And school is a object. Is an object. Okay. And when we come into the Urdu structure, we know that Urdu structure is totally different from SVO. In Urdu structure, we know that SOV. Urdu structure is like SOV, subject, object, and verb. For example, Ali स्कूल में पढ़ता है. Here you can say that after subject, object is coming. So this is the main difference between SVO and SOV. SVO is the structure of English sentence, and on the other hand, when we see that the structure of Urdu, we come to know that SOV is the structure of Urdu sentence. Okay students, thank you so much. If you like this video, do comment. Thank you so much for getting such useful videos. Please do subscribe our channel. Thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.